Hello everyone, my name is Ku. Today I would like to send a paper on novel content generated algorithm by Boolean network inference method from 10 data generation data. The paper about a novel method to infer Boolean network from 10 data generation data and get back the methods and for all the existing methods and the source code and dataset is free available at our GitHub website. Here for main session. First, we will introduce Boolean model, and second, Boolean network inference problem. And the third is our about GI method, and the next is the session. Firstly, we introduce a Boolean network model. Given a directed class GVA, B is a set up node. For example, in this case, we have a four nodes A, B, C, D, and A is a set up interaction. In this case, we have a six interaction here. The plus sign means first or activation interaction. It denoted by a row interaction with a row has, and the minus sign means negative or inhibition interaction denoted by a bar has here. And ignore we have a binary value 0 or 1, and the value is updated time by time by a Boolean rule. For example, here we use the NOT logic and the AND logic and OR logic. And the value of the node is in time by time, so we must the state transition, state and test, and we will find some loop in the test transition. The two kind of loop is first is a cycle loop or cycle adjuster, and the second is a pinpoint loop or pinpoint adjuster. And next we introduce about a Boolean network inference problem. Firstly, we have an unseen target network CVA. For example, here we have a file node we want to be file, and test is test in Epson data it is zero value, continuous value, and we must convert to binary value by using k-mean algorithm. And here some special symbol. MC mean mutation, ET mean impediment time, and WT mean Y time. So then first two impediment denote the Y time phenotype. We have a two Y time phenotype here 0, 1 and 0, 2 here. And the next three impediment denote some mutation impediment. For example, the gene B5 impedance OE means the overexpression. It means the gene B5 is applied by overexpression mutation, and the result will change the Y time 0 to all one value here. And after we get it data, we input the data into our report methods, and the CA is we are boost an infer Boolean network. We map PI map here, and we will continue to conduct some simulation on the infer Boolean network to find object similar to the phenotype in the left side here. For example, in the left side we have a 5 element corresponding to 5 phenotype, new phenotype here. So in the right side we must conduct simulation on the infer Boolean network to make 5 adjuster and similar with the configuration similar to the impediment in the left here. And we will compare the result by two kinds of measure structure accuracy and dynamic accuracy. For the structure performance, we only use decision equal structure DC. The second performance measure and network dynamic accuracy is the average similarity between the 10D Boolean set and the adjective set of the info network. For example, here in the figure, you compare the kayak element on the V5. The gene V5 is applied over recombination and the phenotype is old one here. We compare with the corresponding adjector here. It is a limit cycle adjector with width. So we compare each state adjector with the gene phenotype here. For example, for first step, we will have 4 identical values separate away from Wi-Fi. And for the second method, we have 3 identical values separate away the Wi-Fi. And finally, we get the average result here. And for next, we will introduce about our robot method C, A, B, and I. Firstly, we will introduce path consistency by constraint, and the next is our GA framework. The path consistency by constraint is used to reduce the running time of the GA set. So we divide two measures to establish a path consistency constraint. The first is the gene coherency. It is deduced by comparing the gene infection between the wild type and mutant experiment. We have a 100% Boolean infection vector E and a wild type Boolean infection vector W. And let K be index of mutated gene in E. It means the gene VK is mutated. And for an gene index L different with K, the gene coherency is defined as delta KL here. So first tip on negatively delta KL means that two genes have a consistent or inconsistent change in the infection level. We also mean the first tip or negative path from gene VK to gene VL. The second measure is the fusion coefficient RKL. So as a linear association between gene VK and VL get stronger, so the value of RKL will be closer to either +1 or -1 depending on the size of the relationship. By combining two measures, we will determine the two characteristics of path from VK to VL. First is positiveness and the second is directness. So if both two values delta KL and RKL is greater than 0, we will have a positive path from VK to VL. Otherwise, if both values is smaller than 0, we will have a negative path from VK to VL. And for directness, if the fusion coefficient is greater than the threshold beta, so we will have a direct interaction from VK to VL. Or in direction if RKL is smaller than beta, but it will be greater than the threshold alpha is set to 0.1 here. About our framework. Our framework will use two kinds of input. The first is path contains C and the next is the test Boolean E. In that first step, we will read an initial population of Boolean network that satisfies contain C. The network are generated by using Barabasi-Albert model. Next step, we calculate fitness for each Boolean network in the population based on the candidate E. Fitness here we use dynamic accuracy. And next, we calculate the definite converter node if that the GSM will return a Boolean network topology satisfies C and the induced dynamic is more similar to E. If no, we will only rely Boolean network. And then you select some different Boolean network and apply U-Base mutation to make new time Boolean network combined with inline Boolean network for the next generation. And the important part here is chromosome codification. So a chromosome here is an Boolean network. It only accepts absolute from F1 to Fn. Fi is a Boolean absolute function for in Vi. And for it, Fi with m cellular input, we define m enter to return subgroup. The fifth subgroup FAS if the input scene and Vi meet the path consistency. And the second group if the path subgroup VB if the input scene and Vi not meet the constraint. So the mutation of balance in our GDI is the ability to disrupt the path information of FBS group, the fifth subgroup. Selection. We select use the just view selection, where selection of ability of the chromosome will the original to finite value. Mutation. Mutation to generate a new chromosome by changing the parent chromosome. So firstly, we randomly choose one up to FK and apply one of six following mutation type. In this case, the node BK will be changed. The upper have not BK changed. The first mutation is interaction type inversion. For example, here BK is a target node and V is a regulatory input node. So we will change the interaction sign from positive to negative interaction in this example. Positive to negative. And secondly, the interaction time and rule reversion. So here, the interaction from V to VK change from positive to negative, and also the logic function also change from N to R function. The third function is rule reversion only. For example, in this case, the N logic function change to R logic function. The fourth is the input swapping mutation. For example, we have a two input V and V mark here. And we swap two input. We swap here. For example, here in this version we have Vn and V mark R. When we swap it will change to V mark R and here Vn. The net input remover. Here we simply remove interaction. And input insertion, we insert a new interaction to the first position in W. For example, here V R in the first index. About the result, we must result on the gene activation dataset. The gene bar children video here contain three synthetic dataset 10, 50 and 100. It contains 10, 50 or 100 genes. And the continued value will convert it to Boolean value by using the K-mean algorithm. And to show that our method is stable again by the result, we generated 50 different Boolean values in different dataset by cutting sample in the K-mean. About artificial dataset, we make a group of random Boolean network with different network size. And for example, from 10, 20, and 100 nodes by using the BA model. For it, 20 networks were generated and a total of 200 BA random networks were reached. Comparison method, we use 5 methods of RNA synergy machine and BTR, but BTR failed to infer large network. For example, in the gene dataset, it failed to dataset 50 and dataset 100, and in the case of artificial dataset, it failed with network with greater than 10 genes. And next is structure accuracy analysis result. Here for the decision, our method CIBNI and CNet of R show the high value of decision in the rim dataset or also in the artificial dataset. For the code value, our method show the second highest value in the rim dataset and the third highest in the artificial dataset. And for the structure accuracy, our method show the highest structure accuracy on both the rim and artificial dataset. For dynamic accuracy analysis, our methods show the highest dynamic accuracy in the rim dataset and in the artificial dataset. Our method and cell net of R show the highest value of dynamic accuracy. About computation time, the rim dataset and artificial our method did not show the small listening time, but it had an acceptable listening time, and it can be conducted in a real-time application. And we also conducted the result on a using independent dataset. We visualize it equally microarray dataset. We contain 446 samples. We extract 44 knockout operation samples with 32 methylene and 11 related wild-type samples. And we also obtain a gold standard network from intersection of DB and MQD database. It includes about 900 genes and about 1,300 generation interaction. In the result here, our method shows a high value on decision, recall structure accuracy, and also dynamic accuracy. The learning time did show that more risk, but it's only less than 1 hour for large-scale network, so our method can be applied in a zero application. And the second is the select of R here. So our paper, the power number method to infra-Boolean network, and it also shows acceptable learning time for a large-scale dataset. In future, we will integrate more time on dataset and try to reduce learning time. Okay, thanks for your attention.